before we go into what the topic is about, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Alia Putri Salindra, currently studying for a bachelor degree in management in Mulia University Balikpapan. And that's it about myself. Today I want to talk about my college life. Well, not about the study, but what I get from my point of view about the college itself, the vibe, the friend circle, and other little thing that kind of makes me change the way I see my life and my surroundings. So as college students in my sixth semester who currently working on my thesis right now, I spend most of the time going to class, of course, doing assignment and try to figure what the future is ahead after this stage of life. Like what happened after the college, after I graduate and finally get my degree. Because during college, I've been exposed to so many different perspectives from my lecturer, my friends, my family about life after college, like working, continuing my study, maybe getting married. We don't know, and many other possibilities. And honestly, hearing all of that makes me feel confused. Like there's so many paths to choose, and I'm not always sure which one is right for me. Sometimes I feel excited, but at the same time, I also feel scared. College never really teach us how to deal with overthinking or how to handle pressure when everything comes at the same time. It doesn't teach us how to stay calm when we feel like we're falling behind. And sometimes we start comparing ourselves to another person, saying people moving faster, doing better. People come and go in our life, and we begin to question ourselves. Like, am I doing enough? Am I enough? But maybe that's the point. Maybe college is not just about finding the right answer, but also about learning how to deal with uncertainty, how to keep going even when things doesn't make sense. So yeah, college may not teach us everything, but as we grow through it, we keep learning along the way, through all the confusion, pressure, and moments of doubt. And maybe that's most important lesson of all, that we are not actually lost. We're just in the process of finding ourselves right where we mean to be. And as Albert Einstein once said, once you stop learning, you start dying. So yeah, that's just a little bit of my perspective and what I've experienced so far in college. Thank you for listening and have a great day, everyone. Well.